Next problem, exhibit each of the following relations as a set of ordered pairs and which of these are functions. So we have to first write this relation in ordered pairs and then check which among these are functions. Let's start with first one. The first one is given as set of x comma x plus 3 such that x is an integer, okay, and x lies in between 4 and 8. So value of x here is from 4 to 8, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So let's start with 4. Okay, let me write it first. Value of x is 4 because it is greater than or equals to 4. So since it is equals to, we can start with 4. So 4, then 5, 6, 7 and 8. Less than or equals to, so we can even include 8. So we have these 5 values for x and we have to find this ordered pair. Now when x is 4, y is x plus 3. So it will be 4 plus 3 which is 7. Next, if x is 5, it will be 5 plus 3, so 8. 6, then 6 plus 3, 9. 7, then 7 plus 3, 10. 8, then 8 plus 3 is 11. So this is your ordered pair. Okay, so these are our ordered pairs for the first relation. Now we have to check whether it is a function. Now every element from the domain, that is this x, okay, is going to one and only one element from set B, right? So this is a function, okay, it is a function. Okay, now next one, set of all x, y such that y equals to 2x minus 3, where x is an integer, and x lies in between 2 to 6. So we have to find again same thing, ordered pair x comma y, and y is given as 2x minus 3. Now x varies in between 2 to 6. So value of x is 2, then 3, 4, 5 and 6. Because it is less than or equals to 6, greater than or equals to 2. Since we have equals to, we have to include 2 as well as 6. Now let's find values of y. When x equals to 2, y will be 2 times 2 minus 3. So it is 4 minus 3 which is equals to 1. So our first ordered pair is 2 comma 1. Now when x equals to 3, y is 2 into 3 minus 3 which is 6 minus 3 which is nothing but 3. So our second ordered pair is 3 comma 3. Next, when x equals to 4, next value, y is 2 into 4 minus 3 which is 8 minus 3 nothing but 5. So ordered pair is 4 comma 5. Next, when x is equal to 5, y is 2 into 5 minus 3. So 10 minus 3 which is nothing but 7. So we have 5 comma 7. And then last one, when x equals to 6, y is 2 into 6 minus 3. So 12 minus 3 which is nothing but 9. So last ordered pair is 6 comma 9. Okay. Now we have to write set of all these ordered pairs. It is first is 2 comma 1, 3 comma 3, 4 comma 5, 5 comma 7 and 6 comma 9. So this is our set of ordered pairs for this given relation. Now again we have to check whether it is a function or not. Let us check each and every element from domain is going to one and only one element from codomain. So again it is a function. It is a function. Now last one, let me copy the question first, relation. So it is set of all x comma y such that y equals to x square plus 1, where x is an integer and x is lying between minus 3 to plus 3. So what will be our values of x? It is starting from minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. So these are the values of x. So let's start with the first one. If x equals to minus 3, what will be value of y? Y is minus 3 square plus 1, which is 9 plus 1, nothing but 10. Next, when x equals to minus 2, value of y, minus 2 square plus 1, which is 4 plus 1, 5. Now x equals to minus 1, y is minus 1 square plus 1, okay. So 1 plus 1, which is equals to 2. Next, when x equals to 0, y is 0 square plus 1, which is nothing but 1. Similarly, when x equals to 1, value of y is 1 square plus 1, which is equals to 2. When x equals to 2, y is 2 square plus 1, which is equals to 4 plus 1, 5. And x equals to 3, y equals to 3 square plus 1, 9 plus 1, which is equals to 10. Right? So we got our values. Now we have to write ordered pairs. So when x equals to minus 3, value of y is 10. When x equals to minus 2, value of y is 5. X equals to minus 1, value of y is 2. When x equals to 0, value of y is 1. Again, when x equals to 1, value of y is 2. If x equals to 2, value of y is 5. And then last one, if x equals to 3, value of y is 10. So this is our ordered pair. So we got ordered pair for the relation. Now we have to check whether it is a function or not. Let's look at each and every element from domain. So here we have minus 3 and minus 3 is going to 10. Okay, so it is related to the 10, but again 3 is also related to 10. So two values from domain is going to only one value. It is not just going to one and only one value. So again check this, minus 2. Minus 2 is going to 5, but again 2 is going to 5. So two values from two elements from domain is going to only one element in codomain. It is related to only, both the values are related to one value in codomain. So we can say that f is not a function. Okay. Again minus 1 is going to 2, 1 is also going to 2. So every element, every negative element as well as the same positive element will go to the same element. That is the reason it is not a function.